In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually earn money aside from your YouTube channel. Do you understand? I was able to make roughly, let me say 300 and something thousand naira aside from YouTube revenue from my channel. I don't know if you understand the deal I got the deal from my channel and I was paid aside from my YouTube revenue. And in today's video, that's one thing we will be talking about, and I'm going to explain everything here. I'm not going to hide anything. Do you understand? Now let us dive into the full tutorial video. Now if you are running a YouTube channel, first thing you need to know is this: any niche you are going into, make sure you are good. Like when I mean good, make sure you are guru at that particular niche, to the extent that when you upload your video, you upload standard content that when people look at it, they will be like, wow, this is amazing, I would love to learn something like this. Do you understand? Yes, everybody do tell you that yes, YouTube pays, but if you do not have a solid value or a solid information you are giving out on YouTube, you will not actually stand out on YouTube. Check it very well. All these people that is doing pretty well on YouTube, they have a solid information that passing across to people out there, and that is why when people watch their video, they come back to watch another video. So my first advice to all content creators worldwide is this: before you go into content creating or before you start your YouTube channel, make sure you have this content, or make sure you have this skill that you are teaching. Do you understand? So that when you upload it, it will attract people to come. Now aside from this, there is a video that went viral on my first channel, that's Udeh Tips channel. That channel is currently on 7,100 and something subscribers, and it is fully monetized. Do you understand? So there is a video that went viral from that particular channel, and that video got people to chat me up on my WhatsApp. Now this is how I was able to do that. I'm going to explain this thing orally. This is how I was able to do that. If you should go to my video description, I include links, external links. My Telegram channel link is there, my Telegram group channel link is there, my WhatsApp group link is equally there. And aside from that, I made it known on the video that okay, fine, if you love content like this, check my video description, then chat me. So what these people do is this: when they watch the video, they love the video and they chatted me, like they joined my WhatsApp group. Then from there they DM the admin, and then they were like, okay sir, please can you teach me this, can you teach me that? And I was like, yes, I can actually do that. And I charged them. At the end of the day, they paid me and I teach them. Now that money now is money I'm making aside from YouTube, but it comes from YouTube, but it's no YouTube revenue. So this is how you can actually make money on YouTube. Now let me give you various ways you can actually earn aside from YouTube. Number one is selling your course. Now what it means by selling online course is, let's assume that you are talking about how to start importation business as a channel, that's money making channel, online money making, and your niche is just how to start an importation business. You know very well that yes, you are good at doing that. So another thing you need to do to start making money for yourself aside from YouTube is to arrange your course. Your course can actually be a video tutorial, a full video tutorial on how to set up your importation business in a website, or how to set up your account about importation. Do you understand? That can actually be an online course. Do the full tutorial video, arrange it well, and then give it a price. When people are interested, they come to your DM, you charge them for that particular video, you give them the video. That's the course. That can be one online course selling. Then the second thing you can actually do is to become what? An online coach. Online coach is different from online course is different from online coaching. If you are doing online coaching, you are having a one-on-one interaction with the person, or with your customer, or with your students, whereby you share your screen or they share their screen. You teach them exactly what you are doing. Do you understand? To me, I call that the practical ways. I call it practical experience or practical class. Do you understand? That's two. Now the third thing you can actually do to earn money aside from YouTube is helping people to buy goods and services. I don't know if you understand. Some people will come to you, okay, I want to buy 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Do you understand? And they will be like, okay, but this one is mainly applicable when you build a partnership, like when they trust you that yes, you are legit. They can send you money. Okay, since iPhone 16 Pro Max is lesser than Nigerian price here, can you actually help me buy it from China? They will pay you and you will add your own charge on top. You take your percentage and you deliver your goods. That is that for you. Then aside from this, now you can still help people to arrange their YouTube channel concerning importation business. Like me, I do it. I will help you set up your channel standard. It will be verified, everything, and I charge you for that. Do you understand? And if you even have strength, another way you can make extra income aside from YouTube revenue is by what? Is by helping people grow their channel. Once their channel hit monetization, you give them their channel and you take your percentage. I know a lot of content creators that is doing that and they're living large. Like they are living extremely large. So these are just the easiest way you can actually do what? Make money aside from YouTube revenue. So if you find value from this, video, please, I am begging you to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and please subscribe and turn on notification sign so you always get notified whenever what I, Udeh Solomon, drop an amazing tutorial video like this. I love you guys and stay tuned, guys.